So you were up at Quick Start not too long ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So apparently you were up there possibly taking some pictures of some females that were up there and maybe some little kids. And
Oh, no, sorry. I was just trying to Snapchat my buddy.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. Today we're going to take a look at the YouTube channel Last Call Heroes Barbecue. All right. This guy is not what you guys may typically call an auditor. He has a YouTube channel where he, just records videos and he talks about barbecuing and teaching people different recipes and just enjoying life. And so one night while enjoying life and just enjoying a friendly back and forth of Snapchat with his buddies while he's picking up some food from the gas station, because he was on his Snapchat, when he gets home and he starts to eat his food, he's visited by 3 police officers. This is the reason for you guys, naysayers or whoever out there who don't believe that this movement is necessary. Watch this video and you tell me, how would you feel if you're simply sitting at your home and 3 cops show up harassing you, giving you the 3rd degree because you used your phone at a gas station? Let's watch this video. Leave your comments down below.
Yeah, it's
Going crazy. I figure I'd let him inside. Oh, okay. How's it going?
good. How you doing?
Good.
Good. So you were up at Quick Start not too long ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So apparently you were up there possibly taking some pictures of some females that were up there and maybe some little kids. And
Oh, no, sorry. I was just trying to Snapchat my buddy.
Okay.
No, not at all. I was actually just getting they were waiting for my pickup order.
Okay.
And I would just Snapchat my buddy, which kicks on the camera.
Okay. It was,
So, no, I'm sorry.
okay. There was multiple people there and it was kind of freaking them out a little bit.
Oh, no, I was sitting around there because I was waiting on my chicken order is all.
Okay.
So I was sorry, no. I was Snapchatting my buddy, which every time you open a Snapchat, it puts on your camera.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. It just, the way that everybody described it, it just seemed.
Okay. Well, how do they describe it? Because number one, I'm totally lost because I totally didn't mean to freak anybody out, and I'm not that kind of person.
Okay.
I mean, I got all kinds of people that can vouch for me.
Sure.
So that's not me. So this is really surprising that we're kind of having this conversation. But
Yeah.
no, I was Snapchatting my buddy, and every time that comes on,
Yeah.
that was that way. And it was because we were waiting for the chicken order. So I apologize, but no, I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was not. I don't even know the people were there. I don't even know who I was technically, supposedly taking a picture of. I was standing there and my buddy was Snapchat me, so I kept flipping on my Snapchat, which every time you open Snapchat, your camera comes on.
Yeah.
So that's what I was doing.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. I just
I'm Last Call Heroes Barbecue. I got like 2,500 followers on my page. I'm just not that kind of person. Yeah, I'm sorry, but
yeah, I just talked to a bunch of people that had saw you like bring your phone up and then zoom in on the family.
oh no, I honestly did not do that at all. I
And then
promise that.
he said that he saw you take like 6 pictures. He said.
No, I
It
promise
was
that
it was
wasn't
quite
it,
a
no.
few.
My first question would be, how could anyone count the number of shots that this guy took? If he's simply holding his phone up, how do you know how many times he pressed the button if you're on the other side of that camera? Secondly, when this call went out to dispatch, why did the dispatcher not tell the person on the other end of the phone it's not illegal to take pictures? Why did they send the officers out? All right. So I think the blame lies with the police officers for responding to this nonsense and also with the dispatcher for sending the cops out in the first place.
Never had that complaint in my life. I'm really surprised right now. So
Okay.
sorry.
Well, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be following up and doing
Okay.
some stuff on that. So
Okay.
just refrain from
I have nothing to hide, so Yeah.
from taking pictures of other people in public places and
Okay.
anywhere else. Just
I mean, in my defense, Snapchat opens up to the camera. So,
Yeah.
but I don't have a problem. I mean, I don't know why there's a complaint. I never ever had that happen in my life, so I don't anticipate there will be a problem again. I guess I'll not Snapchat in public.
Would you be willing to just open up your photo camera roll just to see that there's the last photos taken of people?
Yeah, and so so I had my dog, and then so as you mentioned that.
Do you hear the officer say that, hey, when you're in public, don't take pictures of people or don't use your Snapchat? And he agrees to not use his Snapchat in public. Again, he's trying to laugh the situation away. I know this guy is very uncomfortable with dealing with 3 cops in his yard simply because he used Snapchat, which is utterly ridiculous. Now he's showing them his phone, which he did not have to do, but he is being very compliant with these guys, although he does not have to. And I would tell anyone never to do this, because they could have looked inside of his phone, saw something that they thought was illegal, because they clearly don't know the law, saw something that they thought was illegal or something that they wanted to pursue, and then the next thing you know, this guy is going to jail. Never talk to the police. He had every right to not come outside to start with. He had every right to go back inside of the house. He didn't break any laws. This is one of the silliest calls ever.
Here too. I don't want to call him right now, but so no, I apologize. You know, I have no reason to have these, so I'll just delete them right now because I don't even want them. This is literally where I was standing in Quick Start waiting for my order. Did the lady working there not
Why
confirm that?
are you taking those pictures though?
I didn't mean to take those pictures. I was opening it and clicked the button. I don't want them. I don't need them. There's nobody kicking right there of our dog right. Sorry.
So, worst far-fetched case scenario, even though that you delete those and whatever else might come up at some other point, you realize that we could still retrieve those pictures at some point.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just want to ask.
I'm sorry. Did I break a law by taking those pictures?
No, you did not break
Okay.
the law. However, no, you did not break
Okay.
the law. However, the way that it's coming across to other people,
Okay.
and you have these pictures of
Okay,
these little
I
kids on
understand
your
that.
phone, it's a little.
I've had people
Creepy.
over, especially in barbecue, play the perception game over the years a lot. I understand perception.
Right.
Did I break a law?
You did not break any.
Okay. Am I free to go?
However, like I said, you have those pictures on your phone.
Okay.
So you did take those pictures.
Yep.
So,
Yep.
so you already lied to us.
But I didn't lie. I told you what I was doing, didn't realize that it was actually taking a picture. So regardless, Snapchat takes pictures when you do stuff, puts them on your phone. Sometimes you don't realize it. Sorry.
So while taking pictures, in the background, the person who was complaining was on one of the pictures. Okay, so now this cop is saying, so you already lied to us. And then the guy explains, no, I didn't lie. I'm snapping shots. Okay, they got caught in the shots. They're in public. This is why you never talk to the police, why he should not have come outside and he should have went back inside, because now that they saw something that they believe can give them some type of right to go on a fishing expedition. Oh, well, you lied to us. See, we see her in the background of your picture. That's why he should have never shown them the phone. He shouldn't have ever have spoken to them. He should go back in the house. He just stated, the cop that is, that no law was broken. Therefore, he had every right to return back inside of his house.
I don't know whatever everybody's accusing me of doing, but I'm not that. So, sorry.
But you understand how it's making everybody else feel.
I'm kind of surprised, I guess. I'm somebody that I get my picture taken in public all the time, so maybe people take my picture. I don't know. I
You're
don't pay
also
attention.
not a little 6-year-old girl.
No, I'm not. I guess but honestly, okay. I guess. I mean, everybody in the world's got a phone. Everybody takes a picture of everything. I guess I took a picture in the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Of the wrong thing.
Okay. Was she doing something wrong or something that, I mean, if I was a or something, what was I supposed to do with that? Because I'm not one, so I don't know what that picture is worth to somebody otherwise. So I'm sorry.
I'm not in those shoes either.
I mean, either, yeah. I just fucked up and took some pictures of people I didn't know and I wasn't meaning to, so I apologize. That's what I got.
So why did you take the pictures?
I was trying to Snapchat my... Sorry.
Like, you know if your camera's facing yourself or somebody else, right?
Yeah, but most of the time, if I'm Snapchat and I'm responding to somebody, I don't put it at me. I just flip it up and hit the button and record what I want to say and hit send. That's what I was trying to do.
Could you actually do me a favor?
Sure.
So can you pull up your Snapchat?
Yep.
All right, and then go to the photos. Like, just take the camera, and then take the picture.
Okay.
Yeah, just take a picture. Oh.
I don't know what to see.
Yeah,
I have no clue what the hell it's doing.
Just slide back, take a picture.
Yep.
Okay, and then can you save it?
Yep. There it is.
Okay.
Now it's going to be in here.
Okay.
And if you screw around and hit enough buttons, you'll do that a lot. There it is.
Okay. So all your Snapchat photos saved to your camera.
Well, not all of them, but if you screw up and you're Snapchatting and you're doing this and you got multiple buttons and stuff, you can easily do it. And all you gotta do is hit this instead of this, and then you set it here, you set it there, and there you go. Sorry, it happens.
So I'm guessing the guy showed the cop that, hey, it can happen. And he just proved this point. But to me, he is way too apologetic. Way too apologetic. Gonna let you guys hear his explanation. He's explaining what happened and how he felt when he was talking to the cops. Check this out.
Like speeding tickets, I think. I'm sorry.
That's not all we got.
All right.
So,
Sorry. I apologize to them if they feel I was doing something nefarious. I didn't mean to. Don't even know who they are.
Be more cautious of what you're doing.
Definitely will, because I didn't want to have this encounter. I promise you.
We don't want it either.
Yeah.
Get off work, go home, do the normal shit. Gets to be about supper time. Realize I need to get some diesel and some shit. I'm like, ah, fuck it. I'm gonna get some of that fried chicken and some pizza at Quick Star. Get some diesel, we'll get it all taken care of. So I go down on DoorDash, create an order. It says to pick it up at 6:55. So I drive there a little ahead of time, get fuel, walk into the gas station, show them my phone, hey, I'm here for my order. It says it's ready. Oh, okay, I'll go find out. It comes back, you need to wait 10 minutes, it's not done yet. So, sitting there, I'm like, what do you do at a gas station when you're bored as shit waiting for food? So I was shit talking a bunch of my buddies on Snapchat, and earlier when I was filling up fuel, my buddy Bob was, I don't know, we've been sending memes and shit all day, things that were probably inappropriate, and he was asking what I was doing. I told him I'm going to the gas station to get some fucking chicken and diesel and whatnot, and he was like, oh, looks like you're taking your fried chicken with a side of poverty getting at the gas station. I'm like, oh, fuck you. So I pick up my phone, get out the Snapchat, and I hit the button, and I'm like, yeah, you know what else goes good with a side of fried chicken? Some cheesecake dessert served by your mom. And send it, and ha, 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 and then chicken comes out, and I leave. Go home, sitting, eating my chicken, minding my own business. Bernie starts going fucking apeshit. I'm like, what the fuck? So I yell at him, and he stops for a minute, and then he does it again, so I'm like, oh, whatever. So I let him out the back door. I'm like, go bark at whatever the hell you're pissed at. Comes back in, continues to bark. Finally, my camera goes off at the front. So I'm like, who the hell's out? Maybe that's that kid from down the road riding his bike. You know, it's dark or whatever. No, I got 3 cops, and they're like circling around the house. I'm like, what the fuck? Finally, they knock on my door. So I go put a shirt on because I'm half naked. Fucking Bernie's going ape shit. So I'm not gonna go out the front door. I go out into the garage. I hit the garage opening and I come outside. I'm like, hey guys, sorry about the dog being crazy inside. What's up? Here I'm thinking they're looking for somebody or whatever. I have no clue there's anything going on. Well, sir, we just got a report. Some Karen at the gas station called me in that I was taking pictures of them at the gas station while I was Snapchatting my buddy making fun of his mom. So now I got 3 cops fucking harassing me and giving me the lowdown of, oh, there was this lady saying you were taking pictures of girls and all that. I'm like, so here I'm trying to figure out what the fuck I'm gonna tell them, because I'm not gonna tell them I was telling them jokes about the mom to, you know. So I'm like, I'll just Snapchat my buddies, which is what I was doing. And of course I'm trying to put a story together and the motherfucker starts accusing me of lying and all this shit. So finally I'm like, did I break a law? Well, no, because I'm like, yeah, because I got a GoPro, I do this shit for my living in barbecue. I'm like, I record people in public, I know the laws. I can record whatever the fuck I want in public. I broke no law. Well, sir, we still got to do an investigation. Are you telling me that if Karen calls and says, well, Travis Duffy was driving 30 mile an hour on Sue, you're gonna come and do an investigation? Like, somebody called and told you that I was doing something legal in public. Why are you bringing 3 cops to my house?
And who knows, at that very moment when those 3 cops were not patrolling their zone and they were at the home of a guy who was playing on his Snapchat with some friends, maybe someone was robbed, maybe someone was beat up, maybe someone was shot. We don't know, because, and they don't know, because they're there for a reason that's utterly ridiculous. Snapchat. Pictures in public, something that we should know as a police officer, even if dispatch doesn't tell you. If they dispatch you to the scene, hey, go out to the scene. It's a guy out there taking pictures. They're in a public area. Well, dispatch, tell them we're not going to respond to that because that's not illegal. Our job is to enforce the law, not to stop people from taking pictures in public. This may seem like a small thing, but this is the reason we see cops violate rights on such a major level, because when it was small, no one said anything. Now it's grown to be out of control and we have to go back and snatch this thing up by the root. Know your rights. Always report the police. Stand on your rights. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Be sure to visit WeThePeopleUniversity.com, where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the videos form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the World of Tyranny, you can do so at WeThePeopleUniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at WeThePeopleUniversity.com.